Many years ago, I attended a robotics competition. It took me 12 hours to travel from the east side of the state to the west side of the state by bus. Luckily, I won a trophy. It was the first trophy in my whole life. Later, I studied electrical engineering and became an electrical engineer for the past 16 years. I wish I could attend a robotics competition right here at home. I waited and waited until I grew a lot of gray hair. Finally, it's happening right here, right now for you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Zhou. What's your name? Let's wait a few minutes for you to type you. I see Angel, Angela, Justin, and many friends come to our workshop. Welcome to Student Engineering and the Creativity Convention. Which grade are you in? Wow, we have so many participants. Let me ask you another question. Which grade are you in? We have 6th grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, high schoolers, and the kindergarteners. We also have parents, volunteers here to make this happen. Thank you for joining us. Have you heard about CIE? I see many CIE friends, old friends, and we also have a lot of people who didn't know CIE. Don't worry, let me give you a brief introduction about CIE's history. CIE USA is a nonprofit professional organization founded in 1917 by a group of Chinese students, Asia professionals, working in different companies, in different industries. In the state of New York back 100 years ago. In the past 100 years, the organization grew bigger and bigger. We have tens of thousands of members across the whole United States. CIE USA has 7 region chapters in the US. DFW chapter is one of the largest chapters in the organization. We also have chapters in New York, New Mexico, San Francisco Bay Area, Seattle, Southern California. We also have a chapter for environmental engineers called OCISA. The mission of CIE USA DFW chapter is to develop and support engineers and technologists. In front of me are a group of students. You are the future engineers and the future technologists. This event would not be possible without the strong support from our sponsors. They provide the prizes and a trophy, award, free workshops for us. Among our sponsors are Encore Electric Delivery Company, Texas Instruments, KC Bank Foundation, PepsiCo, Console Pass. Thanks the strong support from our sponsors. Let's give them a round of applause. Every year, CIE offers 10 to 15 high-quality programs to serve our communities. Among all the programs, half of them are youth programs. In the workshop you are attending today, the Student Engineering Creativity Convention, the competition on March 28th. In May, you can attend MassCon, MassFun, a mass competition and apprentice seminar, a flagship youth program in CIE in the past 31 years. You can also practice your public speaking in our Youth English Speech Contest or workshop in June. If you are a high schooler, you can apply for the prestigious Young Achiever Award to recognize the high achiever high school students. And you can also apply for our Community Resilience Scholarship to help us fight COVID-19 in the pandemic. Before we forget, let me take a short quiz. I see 51, 53 participants in this short quiz. Let's get started. Question number 1, you need to answer fast to get more points. Which CIE event is for students? MathCon, MathFun, Young Achiever Award, Student Engineering, and the Creativity Convention. The correct answer is all of them. Let me ask you another question. Why do you join the Student Engineering and the Creativity Convention? You can win a prize. You can learn STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. You can build a machine. Actually, you can achieve all of them in the SECC event. Let's see who is our winners. Congratulations, Ted. You are the winners of this practice round. I wish you have some fun today, learn something new, and win a prize in the following games. Good luck on the SECC competition as well.